In this video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube search history on both PC and phone. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. You can check this by looking at the top right corner and confirming that your profile icon is visible. Once you're logged in, click on your profile and then Your Data in YouTube. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can see your YouTube activity, including your past searches. Scroll down until you see YouTube search history. Here, click the small arrow on the right. Here, scroll down, click on Manage All History. This page shows both your watch and search history. YouTube used to have them in separate sections, but now everything is combined here. On that page, look for the Delete option. When you click it, you'll get a few choices. You can delete your YouTube search history from today, choose a custom date range, or delete everything from all time. Pick the option you want, confirm it, and your YouTube search history will be removed. Just keep in mind that when you delete your search history, YouTube's recommendations may change for a while, since the algorithm uses your activity to learn what kinds of videos you like. Now, on your phone, here's how to delete your YouTube search history. The steps are the same on both iPhone and Android. First, open the YouTube app. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right. From here, scroll down and tap on Your Data in YouTube. Here, scroll down and tap on YouTube search history. Then, scroll down and tap on Manage History. This will open your activity page. Here, you'll see both your watch history and your search history together. YouTube used to keep them separate, but now they're combined in one place. Now, tap on the Delete option. You'll see a few options. You can delete today's history, choose a custom range, or select Delete All Time. If you want to delete just one specific search, simply tap the X on the right side of it. Tap Delete All Time, then confirm by tapping Delete at the bottom. And that's how you delete your YouTube search history on both PC and phone. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.